Yo, Joel, the dog testing from Federal Hill, Baltimore. Let's go.
All right, it's Mr. Cutthroat, a.k.a. the unidentified black male, fighting out of Lincoln, Illinois. You already know what I do, man. Here, represent my sister. It was her birthday the 30th, so, you know, I'm going to win this one for her. Let's do this.
Streetbeefs. This event was brought to you by Johnny Apple CBD, the best CBD product in America. Go to their website and type in promo code BEEF for a 25% discount. In this corner, we got the dog. He's 0-0 in Satan's backyard. And in this corner, we got Mr. Cutthroat. He's 2-1 in Satan's backyard.
Hang time, baby.
Be safe, fellas. Fight hard.
All right, guys, come in.
Guard hot.
What are the rules for hand? You understand? You understand? Yeah. So
Nice
good, clean
high
fight.
guard and
Mouthpiece.
sit down.
Mouthpiece.
Don't stand
All right,
tall
touch
with
gloves and
him.
back up.
Don't stand tall with him.
You ready?
Bend your knees.
You ready? Let's fight!
Yeah, show him a lot of movement. There you go. A lot of movement. That's right. Show him a lot of movement. Never stop. Don't let him set. You put your gloves up, tee off a little bit. There's a good body shot. Back up top with it. Nice body shot. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Keep working. Keep moving.
30 seconds, ref.
Don't give him nothing. Keep a nice high guard. Way to guard, baby.
Break.
Nice.
Turn.
Get right
Let's
back
fight!
in there and work. There you go. Oh yeah, good up.
Drop your levels. Drop your levels.
Good shot. Nice back.
Eight.
That one.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
All round, baby. All round.
Good round, guys.
That's right. Yeah, looks good. Looking for them uppercuts. We look for them uppercuts. Hey, keep them hands up here. Like we said, the guard nice and tight. And just look for the jabs and them uppercuts.
Catch one that right hand. 2 more rounds. You're in great shape. Back to me.
Ready? Ready? Let's fight!
You stand on your head for 3 1-minute rounds. Keep working. Yeah, make him miss.
Break. Turn. Let's fight!
Yeah, keep moving. Movement looks good, man.
Right there.
Keep moving and then work and then get out of there. Watch your head.
Keep working.
Step around. Step around. Yes, sir. Making him miss. Be awkward.
Keep them feet up. Go. When I tell you, keep going. When I tell you, he's dead. Keep going.
30 seconds,
Keep going forward.
Make him
Keep
work.
going forward. Go. He's done. Keep going. He's tired. Keep going.
Keep working.
Good shot.
That's
That's
right.
it. Keep going forward. Keep going.
all day.
Shoot level.
Break.
Right back in there and work.
Fight!
Come on, Cutthroat.
Welcome to the chin.
That way to make him miss.
10, 9, 8,
Got him.
7, 6, 5, 4,
Stay relaxed in there.
2, 1.
That's it.
Good job.
Okay. You got 1 more minute, all right? He's done. He's done. Stick a fucking fork in him. He's over. There you go, Joe. Whatever. Now you understand what I'm saying about making a dog fight.
Just get in there, work, look for them uppercuts, look for them hooks. It's all good. You make him miss, make him pay. You make him miss, make him pay. Look good, bro. This is your fight, 2 rounds to none. Be awkward.
You ready? Let's
Be
fight!
awkward, Cutthroat.
Go forward.
Yeah, show him a little feint. That's right. Keep them hands moving. That's right. That's right. Give it to him.
Uppercut.
Break. Let's fight!
Keep working. Good. That's it.
No.
Keep working on us. Break it up.
That's right. Get that big rib. Get that eight to the body. That right eight to the body. There it is. Get it.
30 seconds,
It's there.
That's it. Keep
Right undercut. Cutthroat.
Start working body. Go.
There you go.
Keep it forward, man.
Look for that right hook to the body.
Right hand, go. That's it.
Hey, that's work. Keep him working.
Stay on him.
Break.
Keep
Go
him working.
finish.
Fight!
Right hand, go.
Finish it.
9, 8, 7,
Our fight. Stay busy. Stay busy. Cutthroat.
4,
Fight
3,
Hit him, Cutthroat.
1.
Nice job. Nice one. Nice
Good
fight.
round, man.
Okay, Street Beefs, we have a unanimous decision. 2 rounds to 1. Winner.
Yeah.
Good fight. Good fight.
Good win, man.
Good fight. Yard and we leave it. Agreed?
Any coward can pull a trigger, but it take a real man to look another man in the eyes, punch him right in the face. 5-star wolf pack. Step in the cage and I'm giving out work. Satan's backyard, you ain't trying to get hurt. I'ma bring the pain, you gon' get it the worst.